श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। जय श्रीराम। आदित्य हृदय स्तोत्रम्। ततो युद्धपरिश्रान्तं समरे चिन्तया स्थितं रावणं चाग्रतो दृष्ट्वा युद्धाय समुपस्थितं दैवतैश्च समागम्य द्रष्टुमभ्यागतो रणम् उपागम्य अब्रवीत् राममगस्त्यो भगवान् ऋषिः राम राम महाबाहो शृणु गुह्यं सनातनं येन सर्वान् अरीन् वत्स समरे विजयिष्यसि। आदित्यहृदयं पुण्यं सर्वशत्रुविनाशनं जयावहं जपेन्नित्यमक्षय्यं परमं शुभं सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्यं सर्वपापप्रणाशनं चिन्ताशोकप्रशमनम् आयुर्वर्धनमुत्तमम् रश्मिमन्तं समुद्यन्तं देवासुरनमस्कृतं पूजयस्व विवस्वन्तं भास्करं भुवनेश्वरं सर्वदेवात्मको ह्येष तेजस्वी रश्मिभावनः एष देवासुरगणान् लोकान् पाति गभस्तिभिः एष ब्रह्मा च विष्णुश्च शिवस्कन्दप्रजापतिः महेन्द्रो धनदकालो यमः सोमो ह्यपाम्पतिः पितरो वसवः साद्या ह्यश्विनौ मरुतो मनुः वायुर्वह्निप्रजा प्राण ऋतुकर्ता प्रभाकरः आदित्यः सविता सूर्यखगपूषा गवस्तिमान् सुवर्णसदृशो भानुः हिरण्यरेता दिवाकरः हरिदश्वसहस्रार्चिर्सप्तसप्तिर्मरीचिमान् तिमिरोन्मतनः शम्भुस्त्वष्टा मार्ताण्ड अंशुमान् हिरण्यगर्भशिशिरस्तपनो भास्करो रविः अग्निगर्भोदितेः पुत्रः शङ्कः शिशिरनाशनः व्योमनाथस्तमो भेदी ऋग्यजुस्सामपारगः घनवृष्टिरपां मित्रो विन्ध्यवीतीप्लवङ्गमः आतपी मण्डली मृत्युः पिङ्गलः सर्वतापनः कविर्विश्वो महातेजा रक्तः सर्वभवोद्भवः नक्षत्रग्रहताराणाम् अधिपो विश्वभावनः तेजसाम् अपि तेजस्वी द्वादशात्मन्नमोऽस्तु ते नमः पूर्वाय गिरये पश्चिमायाद्रये नमः ज्योतिर्गणानां पतये दिनाधिपतये नमः जयाय जयभद्राय हर्यश्वाय नमो नमः नमो नमः सहस्रांशो आदित्याय नमो नमः नम उग्राय वीराय सारंगाय नमो नमः नमः पद्मप्रबोधाय मार्तण्डाय नमो नमः ब्रह्मेशानाच्युतेशाय सूर्याय आदित्यवर्चसे भास्वते सर्वभक्षाय रौद्राय वपुषे नमः तमोघ्नाय हिमघ्नाय शत्रुघ्नाय मितात्मने कृतघ्नाय देवाय ज्योतिषां पतये नमः तप्तचामीकराभाय वह्नये विश्वकर्मणे नमस्तमो अभिनिघ्नाय रुचये लोकसाक्षिणे नाशयत्येष वैभूतं तदेव सृजति प्रभुः पायत्येष तपत्येष वर्षत्येष गभस्तिभिः एष सुप्तेषु जागर्ति भूतेषु परिनिष्ठितः एष चैवाग्निहोत्रं च फलं चैवाग्निहोत्रिणां वेदाश्च क्रतवश्चैव क्रतूणां फलमेव च यानि कृत्यानि लोकेषु सर्व एष रविप्रभुः येन मापत्सु कृच्छ्रेषु कान्तारेषु भयेषु च कीर्तयन् पुरुषः कश्चिन्नावसीदति राघव पूजयस्वैनमेकाग्रो देवदेवं जगत्पतिम् एतत्त्रिगुणितं जप्त्वा युद्धेषु विजयिष्यसि अस्मिन् क्षणे महाबाहो रावणं त्वं वधिष्यसि एवमुक्त्वा ततो गस्त्यो जगाम स यथागतम् एतत् श्रुत्वा महातेजा नष्टशोको भवत्तदा धारयामास सुप्रीतो राघवप्रयतात्मवान् आदित्यं प्रेक्ष्य जप्त्वा तु परं हर्षम् अवाप्तवान् त्रिराचम्य शुचिर्भूत्वा धनुरादाय वीर्यवान् रावणं प्रेक्ष्य हृष्टात्मा युद्धाय समुपागमत् सर्वयत्नेन महता वधे तस्य धृतोऽभवत् अतरविरवदन्निरीक्ष्य रामं मुदितमनाः परमं प्रहृष्यमाणः निशिचरपतिसंक्षयं विदित्वा सुरगणमध्ये गतो वचस्त्वरेति। जय श्रीराम। जय श्रीराम। आदित्य हृदयम is a wonderful stotra given to us by Agastya in Srimad Valmiki Ramayana. Rama became a bit tired and he needed lots of strength to fight against the evil Ravana. At that time, Agastya came there to witness the battle along with all the divinities. Seeing Rama's state, he supplied some energy for him to fight against the evil. We all know about Srimad Bhagavad Gita. This was the Gita said by Bhagavan to Bhakta to remove his fatigue, tiredness and delusion of the mind. Aditya Hridayam is a stotra said by a Bhakta for the sake of Bhagavan. So that is the greatness of this Aditya Hridayam. Hridayam means heart. Aditya refers to the Surya sun. Sun is the heart of this stotra. Sun is the source of heat and light. That's what we have read during our school days. The same is true today, tomorrow, and forever. Now let us see the meaning of Aditya Hridaya Stotram one by one. Tato yuddha parishrantam samare chintaya sthitam Ravanam chagrato drishtva yuddhaya samupastitam Daivataischa samagamya drashtum abhyagatoranam Upagamya abravit Ramam Agastyo Bhagavan Rishihi. Then Agastya, the Rishi, came. Tataha, then Yuddha Parishrantam, being tired of fighting. Samare, in the war field. Chintaya Stitam. Chinta means worry. Chintaya, with worry. Stitam, he who was there, staying in the war field. Ravanam cha agrataha drishtva, seeing Ravana in front of him. Yuddhaya, for fighting. Samupastitam, who came to fight. Daivataihi cha, along with the divinities. Samagamya, having come. Drashtum, to see, to witness. Abhyagataha, he who came. Ranam, to the battlefield. Upagamya, having approached. Abravit, said. Ramam, to Rama. Agastyaha, the sage Agastya. Bhagavan Rishihi, the sage Agastya said to Rama. When we are about to climb the mountains, when we look up, then a thought will come to us, will I be able to climb it? The doubt will come. That is why when we climb mountains along with our parents or elders, they will ask us not to look too much high. Just keep on moving and keep on climbing up the steps. So it will be easy for you to reach the top. So in that way, Agastya came to witness what is going to happen. At that time, he looks at the Rama who was tired in the battlefield. Rama Rama Mahabaho Shrunu Guhyam Sanatanam Yena Sarvan Arin Vatsa Samare Vijayishyasi. Rama Rama, O Rama, Mahabaho, one with the big shoulders, big hands. Shrunu Guhyam, Shrunu, listen. Guhyam, which is a very secret one. Sanatanam, which is an ancient one also. Yena, by which Sarvan Arin, all the enemies. Vatsa, O my dear son. Samare, in the battlefield. Vijayishyasi, you will conquer. O Rama, great warrior with big shoulders. Listen to this secret with which you will be able to conquer all the enemies. Aditya Hridayam Punyam Sarvashatru Vinashanam Jayavaham Japen Nityam Akshayam Paramam Shubham. Aditya Hridayam. This stotra, where the Aditya, the sun is the center, is the heart of this stotra. Punyam, which is very virtuous. Sarva Shatru Vinashanam, which is capable of defeating all the enemies. Jayavaham, that which can bring you all success. Japet Nityam, daily chant this. Akshayam, this is not destructible, which will be everlasting. Paramam, the supreme. Shubham, that which is auspicious. Some places you can say Paramam Shivam also, which means Mangalam, auspiciousness. Sarva Mangala Mangalyam, Sarva Papa Pranashanam, Chinta Shoka Prashamanam, Ayur Vardhanam Uttamam. Sarva Mangala Mangalyam, it is auspicious of all auspicious things. Sarva Papa Pranashanam, this can destroy all sins. Chinta, Shoka, Prashamanam. Chinta is a worry, Shoka is the trouble. Prashamanam, it can pacify both. Ayurvardhanam Uttamam, it will give the longevity to a person who chants this. And Uttamam, the best one. Rashmimantam Samudyantam Devasura Namaskritam Pujayasva Vivaswantam Bhaskaram Bhuvaneshwaram. Rashmimantam, from this shloka, he says the names of Surya, and each name has its own significance. Rashmi Mantam, he who has the rays. Rashmi means ray. Rashmi Mantam, he who has the ray. Samudyantam, who always rises. Devasura Namaskritam, he is saluted by Devas and Asuras, referring to the Surya Deva. Pujayasva, you worship him. Vivaswantam, Vivaswan means the sun. Vivaswantam, the sun. Bhaskaram, Bha means light. He who makes the light, the Prakasha, is called Bhaskaram. Bhuvaneshwaram, the Lord of the universe. Sarva Devatmako Hyesha Tejasvi Rashmi Bhavanaha Yesha Devasuraganan Lokan Pati Gabastibihi. Sarva Devatmakaha, he is having all the divinities within him. He Esha, certainly him. Tejasvi, he is brilliant. Rashmi Bhavanaha, and he is seen by us through his rays only. Esha Devasuraganan, Esha, this person, the Surya. Deva Asuraganan, he protects. Lokan, Devan, Asuraganan, he protects the world, the divinities, and even the demons. Pati, he protects. Gabastibihi, with his rays. Esha Brahma cha Vishnushcha Sivaskanda Prajapatihi Mahendro Dhanadakkalo Yamasomo Hyapampatihi. Esha Brahma, he is a Brahma, he is a Vishnu, he is a Shiva. Sun creates life, sustains life, and destroys life also. So he plays all the three roles. Skandaha, he is Subramanya. Prajapatihi, the Brahma. Mahendraha, he is the Indra. Dhanadaha, Dhana means wealth, giver of wealth, the Kubera. Kalaha, the Yama or the Kala, the Lord of Death. Yama, Soma, the moon. Hyapampatihi, and he is a Lord of all waters. Pitaro Vasavasadhya Ashvino Maruto Manuhu Vayurvanni Praja Prana Rutukarta Prabhakaraha. Pitaraha, he is the ancestors. Vasavaha, all the Vasus he is. Sadhya, he is the semi-divine Siddha Sadhya. Ashvinau, the celestial physicians. Marutaha, the Maruts. Manuhu, all the Manus he is. Vayuhu, the wind. Vannihi, the fire. Prajaprana, and he is the life of all the people. Ritukarta, and he makes the season. Prabhakaraha, and he makes the light. Adityaha Savita Suryaha Kagaha Pusha Gabastiman Suvarna Sadrusho Bhanuhu Hiranyareta Divakaraha. Adityaha, he is Aditya. Savita, another name for sun. Suryaha, Surya. Kagaha, Ka means the Akasha. He who moves on the sky is called Kaga. He is that Pusha, he is Pusha, Gavastiman, he who has a race. Suvarna Sadrishaha, he is like gold. Bhanuhu, he is a brilliant one. Hiranya Reta, and he is golden. Divakaraha, and he makes the day. Diva means the day. He who makes the day is called Divakaraha. Haridashvaha Sahasrarchihi Saptasaptir Marichiman Timiraha Unmatanaha Shambuhu Twashta Martanda Amshuman. Haridashvaha, he is taken by his horses. His horses are called Haridashva, the 7 horses. Sahasrarchihi, Archihi means the ray. Sahasra Archihi, he who has thousands of rays. Saptasaptihi, and he has got 7 horses. And Marichiman, Marichi also means a ray, so he is having the rays. Timironmatanaha, Timira Unmatanaha, Timira means a darkness. Unmatanaha, he who removes the darkness. Shambhuhu, he who gives good things. Twashta, the Twashta. Martanda, and he is Martanda. And Amshuman, Amshu is also the ray, and he who has rays is called Amshuman. Hiranyagarbha, Shishiraha, Tapanaha, Ahaskaro Ravihi, Agnigarboditah Putraha, Shankashishira Nashanaha. Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbha is the golden egg which is there in the time of creation. He is that, he who has that. Shishiraha, Shishiraha means a cold season. Tapanaha, Shishiras Tapanaha, he who heats the cold. Bhaskaraha, he who gives light. Ravihi, the Surya. Agnigarbha Uditaha. Agnihi is the fire. Agnigarbha, he who has a fire in it. Uditaha, and he who raises from that. Putraha, Shankaha. Putra means Aditehe Putraha, son of Aditi. So only is called Adityaha. Aditehe Putraha. Shankaha, and he is Shankha, the conch. Shishira Nashanaha, and he destroys the cold. Vyomanatas Tamobhedi Rigyajusama Paragaha Ganavrushtirapam Mitro Vindyavithi Plavangamaha. Vyomanathaha. Vyoma means the sky. Vyomanathaha, the Lord of the sky. Tamobhedi, he who breaks all the darkness. Rig Yajusama Paragaha, and he who is a person who has crossed all the 3 Vedas. Rig Yajusama, master of all the Vedas. Ghana Vrishtirapam Mitraha. Ghana Vrishtirapam, which means Ghana means the cloud. Vrishti is rain. Apam, the water. Mitraha, and he is a friend of all the waters which are dropping from the dark clouds, because he makes the clouds and make the water to fall as rain. Mitra is also Surya. Vindhyavithi Plavangamaha. Vithi means the way. Vindhya is a Vindhya mountains. He crosses the Vindhya mountains and plunges over that. Atapi Mandali Mrityuhu Pingalaha Sarvatapanaha Kavihi Vishwo Mahatejaha Raktasarva Bhavodbhavaha. Atapi, he who heats everything. Atapa means a heat. He who has a heat is called Atapi. Mandali, Mandala is a circle, and he forms a circle, that is this universe as a circle, as a galaxy. He forms that. He is the center of it. Mrityuhu, the death. And Pingalaha is the color of the sun, Pingala. Sarvatapanaha, he who heats everything. He does not have any likes or dislikes. He heats anything and everything equally. Kavihi, a brilliant one, a knowledgeable one. Vishwaha, and who is all pervasive. Mahatejaha, he is very brilliant. Raktaha, red in color. Sarva Bhava Udbhavaha, and he produces everything which is born. Nakshatra Graha Taranam Adhipo Vishwa Bhavanaha तेजसाम् अपि तेजस्वी द्वादशात्मन् नमः अस्तु ते नक्षत्रग्रहताराणाम् अधिपः. He is a lord of all the nakshatra, the stars, graha, planets, and the tara, the galaxies. Adhipaha, and he is a leader or the lord. Vishwa bhavanaha, he is expressed by this whole universe. Tejasam api tejasvi, he is brilliant of all the brilliant things. Dvadasha atman, and there are 12 adityas. Namaha astute, and salutation to you. Nama ugraya veeraya sarangaya namo namaha. Nama padma prabodaya martandaya namo namaha. Before that we have Namah purvaya giraye paschimaya adraye namaha. Jyotirgananam pataye dinadhipataye namaha. Nama purvaya giraye, he rises in the east, so from the eastern mountains he comes out, that's a belief. So Namah purvaya giraye, he who has eastern mountain as his rising point. Paschimaya adraye namaha, and he who sits in the west, the western mountains he sits inside. Jyotirgananam pataye, and he is the lord of all the celestial objects which shine. Dinadhipataye namaha, and the adhipati of the day, Dina adhipati, the lord of the day, to him salutation. Jayaya Jayabhadraya Haryashvaya namo namaha. Namo namah sahasramshu adityaya namo namaha. Jayaya, to the victorious. Jayabhadraya, who makes the victory to your side, who saves the victory for you. Haryashvaya, he who has good horses. Namo namaha, salutation to him. Namo namaha sahasramshoho. Namo namah sahasramsho, he sahasramsho, 1,000-rayed sun. Namo namaha, salutation to you. Adityaya namo namaha, and to Aditya salutation. Nama ugraya veeraya sarangaya namo namaha. Nama padma prabodaya martandaya namo namaha. Nama ugraya, one who is very severe in nature. Veeraya, one who is very bold and courageous. Sarangaya, one who has the saranga. Namo namaha, salutation to you. Nama padma prabodhaya, and to the person who makes a lotus bloom. Padma prabodhaya martandaya namo namaha, and who is the martanda, to him salutation. Brahma ishana achyuta ishaya suryaya aditya varchase bhasvate sarva bhakshaya raudraya vapushe namaha. Brahma ishana achyuta ishaya, he says all the trinities to him, to them. Suryaya, to Surya. Aditya varchase, and who is having the brilliance like that of the Aditya. Bhasvate, to the shining one. Sarva bhakshaya, who consumes everything. Sarva bhakshaya. Raudraya, one who is vigorous and severe in nature. Vapushe namaha, to that bodied one salutation. Tamoghnaya himagnaya Shatrughnaya amita atmane Kritagnagnaya devaya Jyotisham pataye namaha. Tamoghnaya, one who removes the tamas, the darkness. Himagnaya, hima means a snow. When the sun rises, the dewdrops or snow run away, so he kills the snow or the dewdrops. Shatrughnaya, one who removes or destroys all the enemies. Amitatmane, one who gives a lot of things without any reserve, without any limits. Amita Atmane. Kritagnagnaya, and those who are not having gratitude, he drives him away or he kills them. Devaya, and to the divinity. Jyotisham pataye, the lord of all the celestial beings. Namaha, salutation to you. Tapta chamikarabhaya vannaye vishvakarmane namastamo abhinignaye ruchaye loka sakshine. Tapta chamikara abhaya. Amikara means the gold, and when the gold is heated, it gives a beautiful color. Sun is having the same color of that tapta chamikara abhaya vannaye, to the fire Vishwakarmane. You make the whole world to work. Only during daytime we start working. When sun rises, we get lot of energy. So he makes the whole world to work. Vishwakarmane. Namastamaha abhinignaya, one who removes the darkness, to him. Namaha, salutation. Ruchaye, the essential one. Loka sakshine, for everything happening in the world, he is the only sakshi, the witness. To him, salutation. Nashayati esha vaibhutam, tadeva srijati prabhu, payati esha tapati esha, varshati esha gabastibihi. Nashayati esha, this person, this sun, Nashayati, destroys. Vaibhutam, he destroys the beings. Tadeva srijati prabhu, and he creates them. Payati esha, and he maintains them, protects them. Varshati esha gabastibihi, and through his rays he pours rain and takes care of them also. So he is a creator, he is a sustainer, and he is a destroyer of the whole universe. Esha sukteshu jagarti bhuteshu parinishtitaha, esha eva agnihotram cha palam cha eva agnihotrinam. Eshaha, he, sukteshu jagarti, and among those who are sleeping, he is always awake. Sun never sleeps. At one place it is always seen. Esha sukteshu jagarti, bhuteshu, among the world, among the beings, parinishtitaha, he stays among them. Esha eva agnihotram cha. Agnihotram is a daily karma which is done by the ardent devotees of Agni. Daily they will do the worship of Agni, and those who are unable to do can daily see the Agni as the sun and give the Arghya. So, Esha eva agnihotram, he is a agnihotra which we perform. Cha palam cha eva agnihotrinam, and for agnihotri, the person who performs agnihotra, what phalam, what result he gets, that can be attained through sun worship. Vedascha kritavaschaiva kritunam palamevacha yani krityani lokeshu sarva esha ravi prabhu. Vedaha, the Vedas, kritavaha, the yagas, yajnas, kritunam palamevacha, and the fruit of all the yajnas, yani krityani lokeshu, and whatever is being done in the world, sarva esha ravihi prabhu, and all things, for all things, he is a Lord. Now we will see the Palashruti of Aditya Hridayam. Yenam apatsu krichreshu kantareshu bhayeshu cha kirtayan purushaha kaschin navasidati Raghava. O Raghava, Rama, yenam apatsu krichreshu, yenam, this one, apatsu, in dangerous times, krichreshu, in difficult times, kantareshu, in the forest without any help, bhayeshu, during the fearful time, cha, and kirtayan, by singing, purushaha, that person, kaschit, anybody who sings in praise of Aditya, na avasidati, is never let down. Pujayasvainam ekagro devadevam jagatpatim etat trigunitam japtva yuddheshu vijayishyasi. Pujayasva, worship him. Ekagraha, with full concentration. Devadevam, the Lord of the Lords. Jagatpatim, the leader of the world. Etat, this, trigunitam, 3 times. Japtva, having worshipped or having chanted, yuddheshu, in the world, vijayishyasi, in the war, you will definitely win. Yuddheshu, in the war, vijayishyasi, you will win. Asmin kshane mahabaho ravanam tvam vadishyasi evamuktva tadagastyo jagama cha yathagatam. Asmin kshane, now, mahabaho, O great shouldered warrior, Ravanam tvam vadishyasi, you will kill Ravana. Evam uktva, having said so, tada Agastyaha, then Agastya, Jagama cha yathagatam, as he wanted to go as a witness amongst the devas, he went to that place and he is ready to witness the war. Etat shutva mahateja nashtashoko bhavattada dharayamasa suprito Raghava prayatatmavan. Raghava prayata atmavan, with the own effort. Etat shutva, having heard this, Mahateja, the brilliant one, Nashta shokaha, he lost all his worries, discomforts. Abhavattata, became so. Dharayamasa, and he held. Supritaha, with a pleasant smile and great mental setup, he was ready to fight against Ravana. Adityam preksha japtvatu param harsham avaptavan trirachamya shuchir bhutva dhanuradaya viryavan. Adityam preksha, seeing the Aditya, the sun, japtva, having chanted this, tu, definitely, param, supreme, harsham, joy, avaptavan, he got. Trirachamya, having done the achamana 3 times. Achyutaya namaha, Anantaya namaha, Govindaya namaha. Thrice he said, and Shuchir Bhutva, he became pure. Dhanuradaya Viryavan, and he took his bow to fight against Ravana. Ravanam Prekshya Hrishtatma, Yuddhaya Samupagamat, Sarva Yatnena Mahata, Vadhe Tasya Drita Abhavat. Ravanam Prekshya, having seen Ravana now, Hrishtatma, with a happy mind, Yuddhaya, for fighting, Samupagamat, went, Sarva Yatnena, with all efforts, Mahata, which is very great, Vadhe Tasya, in his killing, Dritaha Abhavat, he became determined to kill Ravana. Having heard this Aditya Hridayam and chanting it with full concentration. Atharaviravan nirikshya ramam muditamanaha paramam prahirshyamanaha nishicarapati sanchayam viditva suragana madhyagato vachastvareti. Atha, then, Ravihi Avadan, the sun said. Ravihi, the sun, Avadan said, Nirikshya, having seen Ramam Rama, Mudita Manaha, with a happy mind, he says, Paramam Prahirshyamanaha, and with great happiness, Nishichara Pati. Nishichara is the Nishachara, the Rakshasa, the Pati of them, the lord of the Rakshasas, referring to Ravana. Nishichara Pati Sanchayam, total destruction. Viditva, having known. Suragana Madhyagataha, having made the total destruction of Ravana, you have to be victorious. Suragana Madhyagataha. Suragana means among the group of the celestial suras. Madhyagataha, being so. Vachaha, the words. Tvara iti, come on, fast, do. Like that, he instructed Rama with a happy mind and blessed him. Now, Aditya Hridaya Stotram, when said, expels the darkness inside us and outside us and gives a great confidence. This is a Nidarshana Satyam in this Kali Yuga. So, chant Aditya Hridayam and let us get the blessings of Surya Deva by doing all the Surya Namaskara and other exercise along with this Aditya Hridayam. Aditya Hridayam Punyam Sarva Shatru Vinashanam Jayavaham Japen Nityam Akshayam Paramam Shubham. Jai Shri Ram.